In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font for your current sheet. Whether you're working on a project for school, a report for work, or just organizing your personal data, customizing the appearance of your spreadsheet can make it not only more aesthetically pleasing, but also easier to read and understand. So, let's get started. First, open your spreadsheet. Make sure you're on the sheet where you want to make the changes. It's crucial that you're on the correct sheet because often these changes apply only to the active sheet. Once you're ready, it's time to navigate to the Format menu, which you'll find located at the top of the toolbar. This menu is your gateway to altering the appearance of your spreadsheet, including changing those all-important font styles. Next, from the drop-down list, you'll want to select Theme. When you choose this option, you're granted control over the overall look of your spreadsheet, and accessing the theme settings is a straightforward way to manage fonts, colors, and more. You'll notice a sidebar appears on the right. This theme sidebar is designed to help you quickly customize the look of your document without having to individually adjust each cell or section. Now look towards the top of this sidebar, and you'll see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click this because customization is key to making your spreadsheet truly yours. Here you'll be presented with several changes you can make to personalize the layout and look of your sheet. Within the customization options, focus your attention on the font dropdown. Selecting the right font can make your data clearer and more engaging, depending on your needs. Click on this dropdown to see the list of available fonts. Now choose the font that best suits your document's purpose or your personal taste. Remember, different fonts convey different messages, so consider what works best. A professional setting might call for a classic font, whereas something more creative allows for an expressive, eye-catching choice. Finally, with your font chosen, click Done to apply the change. This step ensures that your customization is saved and reflected across the sheet. You should see your spreadsheet refresh almost instantly, adopting the new font you've selected. It's as simple as that. Changing fonts may seem like a small detail, but it can significantly impact the readability and professionalism of your spreadsheet. As you continue working with your document, you can revisit these settings anytime to update or refine the look as your preferences change. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips useful for bringing your spreadsheets to life.